Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today is our newest episode of our Tip Friday videos. I'm super excited about this one. So Tip Friday stems from our Tip Tuesdays that we share over on the members community. And in order to be a part of our members community, you have to be a subscriber to Happily Hooked. So check out the link in the description below, and that way you can learn how to become a member and come join us in the coolest crochet community on the internet. So today's tip is a little bit different. What we're talking about today is project levels and how the only reason why you can't do the crochet project that you want to do is because you're the one telling yourself you can't. A lot of crochet projects will have different skill levels, and I use quotations on that because just because it says that it's an advanced pattern doesn't mean that you can't do it. So if you think you're a beginner crocheter and you only crochet beginner projects, that's all you're ever gonna do. You're not gonna go up to intermediate or advanced or expert level crochet patterns. And I've been crocheting for 20 years. I would not call myself an expert crocheter, but I have crocheted expert patterns. I don't think you can ever be an expert at crochet. Even if you've done every stitch, you've made every pattern, there's still more to learn. So always try it. I mean, the worst thing you have to do is come to YouTube and look up a couple tutorials on how to do a new stitch or a new technique. There's not anything you can't do. You just have to remind yourself that just because it says that it's advanced doesn't mean that it is something that you can't get and you can't make. I've made projects that I didn't think I could make. I've made projects with fingering weight yarn, which I always thought was really hard. I've made socks before, crocheted socks. I had no idea how to make a heel. I googled it and I looked up on YouTube and I made a heel. So you can do it, and I promise you can do it. Just have patience with yourself. Just trust that you can learn how to do it. And remember, if you're a part of our members community, come in and ask us and we can help you with different stitches. We can help you with different skills. We love to do that. So make sure you guys reach out and let me know in the description or in the comments below what kind of patterns you wanted to make but you've been too scared to. And then make sure to tag me over on Instagram and your finished products, because I know you can do it. You just have to know that you can too. Bye guys.